Hi, this is John. It's been a while since we've done our last review on our layout and things that we've changed and updated. One of the first things that we've been doing is we've been adding little switch stands, ground throw switch stands to the narrow gauge. We have about 4 of them that we've done so far. This is one of the ones on one of our mountain areas. Some of the other things that we've done, I've been working on some of these diesels. I've been putting new decoders in because the old decoders had burnt out. And this is a new switcher we got for the layout. It's going to be our main switcher for the yard. And one of the other things that has happened, my son got a second HON3 locomotive. It's a box cab. It's a kit, but he actually bought it assembled. And we added a Digitrax decoder to it so he could actually run on our layout. And some of the other things that we're working on, we bought some vents that we're going to assemble and build a bridge here on this side of the layout. Also on the other side, we have 2 bridges we need to build for the HON3 section of the layout. And here's some of the other ground throws. This one was already in, but we had to modify it because some engines were hitting it, so we made it a little bit further from the track. So we had one here, and then we had one over another one that we were working on. The other stuff we've been doing is the HON3. We've been starting to build the section so we can start laying track for the HON3. There's basically going to be a town on the upper side with a siding, and it's going to have an engine house on the right hand side, and then on this left side it's going to have an industry, and then on the far side it's going to have another branch line that's going to be going off the layout. And then after it goes over this trestle here, we're going to have a siding, and then after the siding we're going to have a logging area right where the box cab is currently. The other thing that we have been working on the layout is we had 4 switches that we still haven't powered, so we added the temporary push buttons for it. We bought a Digitrax DS74 switch controller. Since the 64 version isn't available anymore, we bought the 74 and been setting that up. And I believe that's everything that we have at this time. So we'll see you next time.